Hey guys, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq. And today's recipe is a dinner recipe. Let's see what it is. It's a wheat cheese roll, and let's see how to make it. Come, let's go to my kitchen. These are the vegetables I am taking for the masala. 1 big onion sliced as cube shape, 1 tomato, little bit of cabbage, 1 potato, 1 capsicum, 3 green chilies and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now we'll make it. Please switch the flame on, and now I'll pour the oil. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Now the oil is nice and hot, and I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Now I'll add the green chilies. Now the ginger garlic paste and the chili is cooked a little, and now I'll add the onion. Now stir the onion. Now the onion's raw smell has gone and it is getting brown. So I'll add the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes get cooked. I am using the lid. Now we'll check whether the tomato has cooked. The tomato is almost cooked. Give it a good mix and add potatoes. Here I am adding the potatoes. Now I'll add a little bit of salt and give it a good mix. And cover it with the lid so that the potato and onion gets cooked fully. Now we'll check whether the potato is cooked. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, if you have chili sauce you can add chili sauce. I don't have chili sauce right now. And 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, and I'll give it a good mix. And I'll use the lid and cover it. The potato pieces are boiled well, and now I'll add cabbage. Mix it well. Now I am adding the capsicum. Give it a mix and check whether the salt is enough. If needed, add a little bit of salt. Here I am adding the cheese now. And I'll give it a mix. Here I am using the lid now. Let it be for a few seconds. Then I'll switch off the stove. Here I have taken wheat flour for making the wheat batter. The batter is ready now. You can see how it looks. See, I have added salt in the batter. Now we have to make the dosha for the roll. Here I am using an onion with oil. Now we will make the wheat dosha. Now we have to just turn the side. Let it be for a few seconds and then we can take it. Like this I am making 4. Here the wheat dosha is ready and I am taking it to the plate. This is called foli in mahal. Now I will put the masala and roll it. You can see how I am doing. That's it, the cheese roll is ready. Okay, thank you. Thank you viewers.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe this video.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get a notification when I upload a new video. Until next, take care. Bye bye.